Hello fellow drone users, I'm here today to talk to you about memory cards. Specifically, caring for your memory cards. A lot of you probably have an assortment of memory cards. Maybe you have SD cards. Maybe you have micro SD cards, SDHC, SDXC, etc., etc. Maybe you have the little card reader that your micro SD card goes in. The little adapter to turn your micro SD into an SD. But what are you doing with these cards that have your precious data on them, or that are going to have your precious data on them? Where are you keeping them? Throwing them on a table, sticking them in your GoPro bag, your camera bag. Maybe there's a shelf in your house and you toss them on that shelf. Well, that's unacceptable. And today I'm going to talk to you about a better way to do this. In my hand is a random case from Amazon by the company JJC. It literally just says memory card case. I picked this one because it was specifically recommended to me by a drone owner, and I'm going to show it to you today. This is one of very many similar cases like this on Amazon. You can just pick one that suits you, but I read lots of reviews and I ultimately went with the one recommended to me by a drone user. This is how it works. You unclip it and you open it up. Inside you're going to see many little foam compartments. And this is how it works. You're going to take your micro SD card and you're going to stick it in the smallest section of the case. The little cutouts make it very clear which card goes where. And this case holds a ton of memory cards. Once you get your micro SD cards into this case, you can then take the adapter and stick the adapter over it. That'll help keep them secure as well, while also providing with you an adapter. Now, it's good to have two adapters because I never trust these things, just in case one fails. Then you use the bigger slot to put an SD card. So SD card, micro SD card adapter, and micro SD card. And that's how it works. Now you could store a paper clip in here to make it a touch easier, but all you need to do is take your finger behind the little notch and pop the card out. Real easy, it's not tight, it won't bend your card. I've seen a lot of other reviews on cases that hold the card in a strange angle or force you to remove it in a strange angle, and then they break. Here you just, right behind the card, pop it out. This thing holds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 SD cards or 24 micro SD cards. But the best part is you can put your 12 micro SD cards into the case and then the 12 SD cards over them. So you don't have to choose. It holds both. Once all your precious little cards are stored in this little wonder case, you just close it, snap the clasp, and you're done. I will provide a link for this case in the description below. Using my link supports this channel, not only if you buy this particular case, but anything you buy after clicking in my affiliate link supports my channel. So click in, grab one of these cases, or grab a case that you think looks right for you, and start protecting your memory cards. This is Greg Adventure. I'm Greg, and this is today's adventure.